So welcome to another edition of the program for which we'll be using elimination method to solve these two equations on the board. But the first thing is we need to understand what is elimination. Elimination. What is elimination? Probably some of you may have heard the word elimination, but you don't know what it means. In mathematics, elimination means to remove or to get rid of something, to cancel. Now, let's take for example, let's get started. Let's take for example, going to rewrite the question 2x plus y is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. And let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 1. And the next one here is 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. And let's call this equation 2. So we have two equations on the board using elimination method to solve these two equations. How do we use elimination method to solve these two equations? It's very simple. Elimination means to remove something, to cancel something, to get rid of something. Now, in these two equations, equation 1, equation 2, in equation 1, we have 2x plus y is equal to 5 in equation 1. And in equation 2, we have 3x minus 2y is equal to 4 in equation 2. Now, I have x and y in the two equations. Which one I want to eliminate? Which of the value I want to either get rid of y or get rid of x? Which one I want to get rid of? Possibly you want to get rid of x. You want to eliminate x. Another person will like to eliminate y. The factor is eliminating y or x does not change your answer. Depends if you follow the correct step. So let's get started. Now we have I want to get rid of y. Before getting rid of y, let's understand something. In mathematics, whenever we have two opposite signs, and the numbers are the same, it's just equal to 0. For example, you have negative 2 plus 2, it's just equal to 0. You have negative 10 plus 10 is equal to 0. So, not to say equal to 0, we just say we cancel the two of them. It's equal to 0. Similar thing will be done in here. Just look. Now, we have, I'm going to look for a number. Because I want to eliminate y from the two equations. But I cannot eliminate y like this. I have two opposite signs. I get plus, positive, and negative here. But I have 2y, negative 2y, and positive y. So I cannot eliminate y in this type of condition. So what can I do to eliminate y? I have to balance the equation in terms of y. Like this, say we have negative 2y and positive y. I'm going to say I need to use 2 here, I use 1 here. So 2 times 2 is 4x plus 2 times y is 2y is equal to 2 times 5 is 10. You see? The next thing is this one is going to multiply everything in this bracket. 1 times 3x is 3x. 1 times negative 2y is negative 2y is equal to 1 times 4 is 4. Mind you, I told you that negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Whenever you have opposite sign, and the values are the same, it's just equal to 0. So negative, let's say negative 4 plus 2. What will be your answer here? Although the signs are different, but the numbers are also different. So it cannot be equal to 0. So this will be negative 2. The highest number maintain the sign. In this case, we have negative and positive. The signs are different, but the numbers are the same. So it's just equal to 0. I hope you understand this. So it means that we are going to cancel because we have positive 2y and negative 2y. So we're going to cancel this. We cancel this from the equation. So now we are solving for x. We're going to left with x in the two equation. So going to add 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 will give me 7x is equal to 10 plus 4 will give me 14. 4 plus 3 give me 7x. 10 plus 4 will give me 14. I am solving for the value of x. You can see 7. So x is equal to 7 to is 1 times 7 here 2 times. So x is equal to 2. This is the value of x. The next thing here is going to solve for the value of y. Solving for the value of y. Solving for y. Solving for y. Now, in solving for y or the value of y, I'm going to take any of the two original equations. I'm going to take any of the two original equations. I can either take equation 1, I will still get the same answer. If I take equation 2, I will still get the same answer. Look, I want to use equation 1. So, using equation 1, using equation 1 to solve for y. So using equation 1 to solve for y, that's what I'm going to do. So here's equation 1. I'm going to write it. Solution. Equation 1 is 2x plus 5 is plus y is equal to 5. So I'm going to say 2. I know that the value of x is equal to 2. I have 2. I have x here. So anywhere I see x, I'm going to replace it with 2. So I'm going to say 2 plus y is equal to 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. This is positive 4. When you go across, it becomes negative 4. So therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore x comma y is equal to, braces open, x is 2 comma 1. Thank you. That does it for the presentation on equal measurement. Thank you.